By removing a diffuser bolts by using a simple trick to weld the anchor bolt. Unscrew the anchor bolt. To remove the Allen key bolt. To take the outside the impeller. By using a simple trick to remove the rusted bolts. Thanks for watching.